Good morning. My name is Viva Cunliffe. I'm the CEO of Reduction Tech. I'm a climate strategist and a technology company founder. We have some science that we'd like to just introduce around a technology that is going to be very important for the future, we think. And what we're going to do is go through a couple of selected graphs of the oxygenation and oxidation events of the Earth. So here we have a graph of the oxygen levels where there's a red line going through the different eras in the Earth's past. And you can see that presently today, there is a 21% level of oxygen, and there was a sudden increase at the end of the Proterozoic and the beginning of the Proterozoic, and both of those we'll see here. They're called oxygenation events. They created what were called snowball Earth events, which was when glaciation on the planet vastly increased to the point where the ice that we had was down at the equator. This graph here is showing the fraction of oxygen in blue and the ozone levels in red. And it's very important to understand that ozone is the mother of a very important radical called the hydroxyl radical. When ozone breaks down, it forms an ozone atom, which it will exclusively react with water and form two hydroxyls or a doublet hydroxyl. So knowing your ozone levels is very important. And there are two modes in the Earth system. There's an unpolluted mode of oxygen, ozone, and hydroxyl, and then there's an emergency mode. And anthropogenic pollution has caused us to go into an emergency mode for quite some time. And we know that as pollution events that create ozone precursors and force the formation of ozone, and we know we have lots of ozone in the atmosphere right now. Here's another graphic of the oxygenation levels across the past 4 billion years. So this was caused by the cyanobacteria of the planet. They actually collectively caused this. So it's important to know that life forms are capable of modifying a planet, even very, very simple life forms. So what happens at these great oxidation events before the glaciation is that there is global cooling, there is increased biodiversity, plant diversity, cleaner air, calmer weather, normalized rain, and brighter clouds. So wouldn't it be nice if we could actually mimic this for the benefit of getting us out of the climate disaster by 2100? Well, we think we can with a hydroxyl release, which we have a simple, easy to adopt technology that will do this, and we're offering it right now to get us out of the climate disaster by 2100. And we call it the hydroxyl dispersal technology. So again, we believe we can comfortably do this and get us clear of the climate disaster by 2100. So that's my chat about the oxidation for now. Thank you very much for your time.